How to use our mind mapping paper in 5 easy steps. First, use a pencil to sketch out your map. If you're particularly neat and organised naturally, you may not need this step, but if you're anything like me, you will probably want to rearrange some things before doing your final neat version. Then, use the blue lines as guides to write. There are upper and lower lines if you want to try and squeeze 2 lines into each bubble. Then use the red lines to draw neat bubbles around your words. These can be square, rounded squares or circles or any combination. Next, use the green lines to connect your bubbles. There will always be multiple points to and from each bubble. Then finally, rub out your pencil work and you're done. This will produce a neat mind map, much more presentable than certainly the ones I could ever do by hand. Thank you.